So peaceful up here. Oh, hang on. Little campsite there. Might as well. We can use the ridge to take off again. Ah. Oh, there's even a hang glider here. Nice. Also, I do remember I didn't actually save before we left. Considering all the fucking around we've just been doing, I better save. Right. Culinary delights await me here. Yeah, you're supposed to... Hold on, come on. There you go. Thank you. Oh, okay. Full. Okay, apparently... Pull on them at some point. Goodies here. Right, so there's nothing else here apart from that and the hang glider. But might as well mark it on the map. Heaven forbid we ever lose our hang glider. I don't like the hang glider symbol because it doesn't really show very well on the map. There you go, that's a better one. Oh, damn it. So those other hang gliders I found that are marked with the other symbol were shocking. That one's miles better. Oh well, never mind. I'm sure I'll pass them at some point and I can change them round. Jelly ho! Oh yeah, is that the... Yeah, that's the cave there. That direction. I cannot go into for a while. I need to, like, really be kitted out. I mean, like, max everything armor-wise, because once you go in there, it's a hell of a trek to get out. There's a lot of bad guys, a lot of big bad guys. And it's at the edge of the water around that corner. And I am nowhere near ready to tackle that. I'll end up stuck in the cave, just dying, and that... No. No. Don't want that. Ooh. It's got a cannibal camp there. Have to pay them a visit. May have some goodies. One over there. Then our bunker should be up ahead. But I have a feeling it's close to a cannibal camp. Oh, that would be interesting. Yeah, it is. We're going to have to clear the camp out. Oh, there's two camps close together. Oh, joy. Oh, mother! Right, let's get some poison arrows in these a-holes. That's right. Well, at least you're wearing clothing. Oh, you're down. Right, Axeman cometh. No, don't get up. Told you not to get up. On those chairs. Did you find that funny? You praying to your Lord and Saviour, the Axeman. Fortunately, he does not hear your prayers. You... Oh, that was a waste. Have a third one. Oh! Oh, crap. Oh. Right. Oh, this is gonna sting. Right, rip our armor that we had. Damn it. It was nice having bone armor. How many poison arrows does it take to take you down? Oh, mother! Someone's having a good time. Oh, you speedy bitch. Oh my God in heaven, I hate the Wolverine ones. Oh, now you're crying like a little bitch. Oh, your armor's gone. To be fair, I'd do the same. But I have an axe, you don't. Wow, okay. See, I'm glad I had some arrows on me in reserve. Almost gone. But hey ho. Right, there's definitely going to be one or two more left because it ran off. I didn't kill them. Unless my poison arrows did the trick and killed them over time. There's one of the segways. Nice, we'll need that later. Wrecking your camp. Absolutely wrecking your camp. Assholes took away all my armor. Took away the little extra armor I had. One rope. Oh, you mother! You know what? Fuck you, buddy! That's right, you stay in a tree. You stay in a tree. Oh, did that hurt? Did it? You son of a bitch. That was the last of my bone armor that I was wearing. I need duct tape to make more, that's why I'm mad. I I need to find where I've got to dig up, but first let's get all the goodies that are around here. I think this is where I need to dig up. Also need to put a marker down. Oh, actually, will I need to put a marker down for here? Might not, because once I dig this up, sure this is a permanent marker. Yeah, it is, so I don't need to put a marker on here. Shit! Mother... Fuck, I didn't equip any armor. Fuck! Where the hell am I? You're one I shot earlier. I need you to piss off. Where's my backpack? This is going to be interesting. Normally you can see your backpack. Shit, it's over there. Fuck. One hit and I'm dead. One hit and I'm dead. Ooh, right, okay. Bone armor, all going on. I can't take a single fucking hit. But, fuck it. Right. Healed. You son of a bitch. Where are you? The fuck are you, buddy? That's right. Sit down. Please give me some duct tape. Yes. Oh, I need some bones. Oh. Fortunately for me, we have a volunteer. Make some more cloth armor potentially. Go on, bonafide. Bastard. Thank you. Oh crap. Well, I was enjoying having like a build up of bone armor. Not enjoying the fact that I've just lost it all. Oh, crapping hell. Right, so we've got the Segway for later. All the loot boxes around there. Hopefully now we can get to digging uninterrupted. Oh. Idea, I've had an idea. I swap you for you. I can hopefully save the good armor. So I've got enough to make a new set here. Oh, big brain strap, big brain strap. There we go. That would protect me from at least one, maybe two hits if I'm lucky, which hopefully is enough for me to get out there. And at least I'm not losing my good armor. So that's harder to make. This is relatively easy to make. Thanks to all the cloth I found. Oh, come on. Right, so we've got a full set of that, and we've got 10 of them, 7 of them, 3 of them. Okay, that's better. So we can get in here now. Oh, tap in the soil. Dig it. There we go. Right, new bunker, new nightmares. Let's see what's down here for us. Safe to say, I'm not coming in here with a shovel. Any goodies? No goodies. Ooh, duct tape, nice. Straight away I know where I'm putting that. Goodies in here. Oh, there we go. A new bunker. Oh, bit of ammo. Silencer, nice. There we go. I'm good on TV anyway. Right, save. We are saving because we had a very fucking close call up there. Impulse, nice. Yes! Right. So when we exit the game today, put away the good weapons like this on the wall, and then we can come back and get the others later. And get like second versions of it and whatnot. Now, this lets me shoot all types of arrows. Happy fucking days. Right, how much ink have I got on me? 200. 3D printed arrows have I got? Or, you know what? Yeah. Yeah. I do one GPS case. That way I can, I think I've only got one left. Hold on. Look. We want to explore this area. I've got 2 left. It's not a lot. Yeah, I'll do... No. Rolls GPS. I don't know which one to do. Ideally, I don't want to use the thingies, but I'll have 14 of them if I do, and I can make one GPS case. That way, I've got 3 locations I can mark down in this area. I think is the better call. Right, so 1 GPS case and then another set of arrows. So we'll have 19 arrows and 2 GPS cases. Perfect. Can I get a circuit board out of one of you? No. There you go, that worked out perfectly. Non-wasted. Print faster. Right, my buffs wore off. Excellent. Now let's get outside and see where the next bunker is. Okay. I'm relatively safe. We can use this for transport. Let's have a look. The next one is... Oh. It's not round here. It must be on the... Oh, I'm willing to bet it's like the other side of the map. I've put a question marker there. Something. So it might worth going for supplies that. Well, that way for the cannibal camp. And we can travel on this little bad boy. Maybe even take him home from where we are, so... How silenced are you? Hey, why did he put it away? Have we got no ammo for it? Well, they don't seem to know where it came from. Trying to get a headshot at this distance isn't easy. That's one. Oh, that's a big dude. Two. Three. Come on, just one more. Missed. Missed again. Shit. Come on, just go body shot. There you go. Right, I'm out. That's fine. Got our new bowl for the big dude. Hide him, big dude. You drop any goodie bags? Really? Headshots 3 yet? Not one of you dropped a goodie bag. You guys suck. Did he fall off the cliff when I shot him? Or is he just lying around here somewhere? Where's his body? Uh-huh. Hi there, buddy. Oh. You don't shoot very well in this bowl, do you? Oh, shit. There you go, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Right, so I think the primitive arrows don't seem to shoot very well in this. Shit. Go away, buddy, go away. Stay on you. Not drop a goodie bag, Billy? Kind of robbed? Oh, yeah, you did, thank you. I know they're gonna come back. Right. need to test the bow here, because I've got a feeling it doesn't shoot very well in this one. Yeah. Doesn't shoot any... You know what? That's an interesting mechanic if that's the case. So a primitive bow shoots good primitive arrows well, but... Sounds different. Oh no, it's about the same. Okay. About the same. That's fine. That would have been a really interesting mechanic, but no, that's fine. It's just the sound. That's different. That's what threw me. Those arrows down. Let's see that. Let's see that. Right, let's chop these up and we'll get a marker down. There's a rope. I duct tape, do I? No, of course I don't. Yeah, just one of you. There we go. It's another cannibal camp marked. Right, I think we need to make a move. That's gonna top up my armor before I go. Oh, I've not really got much left. Ooh, new area. Okay. Definitely putting a marker down here. And there's a little cave there as well. I could probably even do with setting up a little tent. Might as well put cave marker. I'll stand up on the map. I'll be able to see what's going on. Right, let's get to looting. More crossbow bolts. There's some bloody... Ah, there we go. Oh, right. So this is a nice area to get some more carbon fiber arrows. That's a good one to remember. Oh, granadas. Bit of C4. Obviously, they won't respawn because they're in crates. Only the ground stuff that respawns. You? Why can't I take the helmet? Chuck. Sarah was able to find me away. Puffton never could have been better down and see what's left of everyone. Time to assemble the team. Ah, okay, so that's the old company. He's gone back to them. Interesting. Okay, let's see what's down here. I'm hoping this is just like a little equipment cave and not a cave, but find out. Oh. Dude, just carry your axe out, just in case. Oh, I see duct tape. Woohoo! Duct tape! Right, so it's a good spot to visit runs. Cloth, duct tape, rope. Bad, that's not bad. Ooh, got here. It's the... Once again, no idea what that is. I remember building it, but I don't remember what the fuck? Okay, that's not scary. Right, as I said, I remember building it, but I don't actually remember what it did. I should perhaps Google it because I couldn't figure it out the last time I played, and it would be nice to know what it is. Alright, we've got some duct tape. So, what's the bone armor situation? Low. Make at least one. Battery circle. On. Okay. And there's some ammo here as well. Nice. Right, so this is actually a good little place to raid anytime we load up the game. Let's just get you reloaded. No, why did he just put the gun away? I want it to reload. I love it how the reload for this, if you shoot and reload, it's quick. But if you run out, he's like this going, it's not firing and I best reload instead of going. First time it runs out, I get it. But not every time, buddy. And what else have we got? Slug ammo. So is my shotgun loaded with slugs? Now it is. I don't know why I expected something up here. The fact that we were down there and we had that little scream, I expected to come up here. Fucking called it. Right, you know what? You're not knocking this tent down, buddy. Go on. Sneaking up behind me. What are you gonna do? Just stand there all day? Okay, that's fine. What's my great? Oh, you are so lucky. Unless I just can't see where it lands, but the arc is perfect. No, that's my maximum throw distance. Fire! Ooh, scary. No. Right, you know what? Okay, buddy. Okay, you know what? I have a solution for you. That piss you off? No? How about this? Okay, you know what? Should have thought this sooner, because there's loads of crossbow bolts here. Oh, come on, it's crossbow. You tell me you can't shoot in a straight line with like 20 yards. There we go. That's right. Go on, I dare you. Point at me again. Okay. I'm going to shoot you either way. I was just daring you. You're a chicken. Right, he did. Here's someone else, though. Oh, you're there. Did you throw a spear at me? You threw a damn spear at me. Need to set more spear axe at home. I'm filling them up pretty quickly. Oh, that's fine, buddy, because trust me. New crossbow bolts here. Right, you drop a goodie bag for me. Come on, big dude like you should be dropping goodie bags. Oh, did that hurt? Did it? Here, let me come rub it better. I know this guy. It's called the Axeman. He's really good at the shoulder wounds. What he does is, first of all, take off your leg, because then you don't feel the pain in the shoulder. You know why? Because all you feel is the pain in your leg. Well, not you, because you're dead. You're all fucked up. But most of the time, it works. And he did drop me a goodie bag. See, you're an alright cannibal, you. You're a good egg. You're dead, but you're a good egg. Right, we need to get the fuck out of here, because I'm losing my sanity, I think. Starving cannibals are going to eat the remains of their friends. Well, friends, but you know what I mean. Ooh, graves. Knew this area had something of interest. Would this be the infamous spot? The legendary Bob the Builder and his infinite supply of duct tape. Nope. How about you? Nope, not you either. The fuck is that? Is that a skunk? That's what's been hitting me! I've just been skunked. Ew. Push that off. That's what was hitting me in the bushes. I didn't have a fucking clue there were skunks in this game. I've probably seen them, but just thought they were like raccoons or something over at a distance. Alright, so head to the river. There was a marker that popped up that way. There it is. Now, let's go. Moose coming to get me! Oh, that was an epic jump. Epic. Oh, another moose. Oh, shit. 2 mooses. Nope, let me get out of here. Don't want to tangle with mooses. Whee! Saw that rock and hesitated jumping because I thought it was a crate. The way the light shines on it at times, it looks yellow. I could have done like an epic jump then. Right, we're getting closer to whatever that is. Woo! You know, I'm definitely better navigating trees with this than I am the golf cart. Leave you here where you should be safe. There you are. Okay. Let's see what's up here. Ah, over there. The digging site. Why can't I have a red radio in my base? Because I picked that up. And it changes colour. I don't like that. Right, let's get the segue. We'll get a little bit closer to big site there. Go. Develop. Point of base. Right, definitely need to put a marker here. You know, I'm kind of curious if the Solophyte will respawn in this world, or whether, like containers, it's finite, because there's that many areas to mine it. It seems a bit excessive unless it's limited. especially in this mode. Put you down as cave, I think. Yeah. Well, technically a cave of sorts. Whenever I try and get my fire stick, I always grab the spear. It's really annoying. Shame you can't hold this in your other hand. A load of duct tape. Yeah, it's a shame you can't hold the fire stick in the other hand and your like axe in this hand, so you can actually see when you're in these caves. Need more bones now. I don't think I've picked up any recently, have I? Yeah, definitely need more bones. Oh, I'm stuck on. It's just a little solipite line. Julio. Okay. Well, that cave we definitely don't want to go in yet. We're not tooled up for. We've got a new cave over there, which I'd rather not touch the caves on this side of the island just yet. I want to stock up on my armor first. Got the Segway, so we can try and get that home, I think. And if we come across any cool things on the way, mark them off. Oh, is that a new cannibal camp? It is. I don't think we've marked that one. Oh. Oh, shit. Mother. You know what? Fuck you, buddy. Anyone else? I want your friend. You? You want some? What, you? You too? Anyone else? Welcome to the 21st century, buddy. Sit down with your spears. Fuck you, buddy. Anyone else? You're still alive? That's fine. I'll give you some special treatment. That's right. Okay, there goes all my armor and my health. I'm almost dead. Yeah, have some rotten meat. Fuck you. You know what, though, guys? You're going to make me some bone armor. That's what you're going to do. You are going to make me some bone armor. Just get that. Little bit of this. Can you just please die? Okay, health. And let's get the fuck you gun. Off with your leg, buddy. No? Okay. That's enough damage for me. Right. Our Lord and Saviour the Axeman has some words for you. They are mostly die, die some more, with a bit of more, a little bit more, extra violence for you. And There you go. Sit down. Right. Let's just make a nice little pile of bodies. Little monument to the don't fuck with me. I like how he spread his legs for me then. Oh, you didn't. Yeah, you did, didn't you? Okay. Let's make an example of these fools. Where's your friend? Come on, let's get this right. Please tell me that set him on fire. Yes, it did. Excellent. Motherfucker. GT motherfucking A. There you go. Fuck you. Who's next? Right. Take that. And I'll take all of these. Yeah, don't worry, I'll get to you soon. Oh. Armor, baby. Ooh, I now got 10. Nice. Okay. The rate I'm going through my other armor, I'm tempted. Do that. Oh my god, will you shut up? Your friend, he's dead. Possible lover, I don't care. He was stupid. He decided to take on the Axeman. You know, the god of this island. Shut up. Right, there you go. Now you're both together. What was those bones? Don't do it, buddy. Don't do it. You've seen what happened to all your friends. You'll get exactly the same treatment. I think at least 2 more. If this goes well at this rate, we might get home with more armor than we came with, if we're lucky. Don't do it. Don't do it. I did warn you. I absolutely warned you. I've literally Jim Carreyed you there with 2 spears in either leg. How do you find it funny? You're just gonna stand here as I stab your friend to death. That's right, run. That's right. That's right. You think about that? You think of that? And that. And a bit of this. And a bit of that. There you go. Where do these guys keep coming from? It's like they want to die.
Nope.